Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Yamina Hamid, MD Transfusion Medicine, PRP Specialist. I work here at Zaaya Skin Hair and Laser Clinic, Alua. So, eyes are the most expressive feature of a face. Under eye dark circles can dim its glow. Not all causes of under eye dark circles are treatable. Why? Let's go through the reasons for under eye dark circles. Firstly, we have set of reasons in which there is a shadowing effect which causes the perception of an under eye dark circle. It is not a true true hyperpigmentation of the skin below the eye. The presence of a deep set eyes or a prominent orbital ridge can cast its shadow below the eye, causing a perception of an under eye dark circle. Especially this effect becomes prominent when the source of light is from above. So those people can take photographs with the source of light in front of them so that this effect can be nullified. Now, presence of a deep tear trough deformity can also create a similar effect. What is a tear trough deformity? Tear trough is a groove between the lower eyelid and the upper cheek. So this can be prominent in some people due to inherited causes. Inherently it can be very visible. Otherwise it can occur in some people due to volume loss in case of excessive weight loss periods, or it can occur as part of aging. So what are the changes that occur in this periorbital region during aging? The skin thins down due to this gradual aging process, and the underlying ligaments becomes lax, and the muscles in the periorbital regions undergoes atrophy. So due to all these changes, there is a volume loss in this region causing a defect. So what can we do for this? We can use some fillers, hyaluronic acid fillers, to fill in this defect. So hyaluronic acid fillers may last for about 12 to 16 months, and we need to do this procedure every 1 to 2 yearly to maintain the effect. And instead of this fillers, we can also do fat transfer to fill in the gap. Now, another reason why the shadow effect can be caused is due to the presence of this prominent under eye bags. What is this eye bags? Eye bags is because of the loss of tone of the skin and protrusion of muscles to the lower eyelid, and there is increased tendency of the fluids also to pool in this area, causing some swelling and puffiness in this under eye region. So we have DIY measures like use of boiled and refrigerated tea bags to be placed over eyes. The mechanism is that the caffeine increases the blood flow to this area, reduces the swelling and all. And also caffeine is an antioxidant, so it protects that area, the skin, against the harmful effect of ultraviolet rays, and also it retards the process of aging. Now, another DIY measure is use of cold compress. But whenever you use a cold compress, make sure to wrap it with a soft cotton towel because direct exposure of ice cubes and all to skin can cause frosting. Okay, now another reason for this under eye dark circle is due to the fact that the skin becomes thin, because of which the underlying structures becomes very prominent. The underlying structures like blood vessels, when it becomes prominent, it can give a bluish tinge to this under eye area. As a remedy for this, we can use creams which contains under eye creams which contains retinoids or its derivatives, because retinoids have a powerful collagen stimulating effect, because of which the skin becomes thicker due to more elastin and collagen fibers. A layer of tissue is created between the skin and the underlying structures. Also, the use of caffeine based creams. The mechanism is that caffeine can cause local vasoconstriction, so temporarily it can reduce the appearance of this blood vessels. Okay, next is the true hyperpigmentation of the under eye region. True hyperpigmentation can occur due to hereditary causes. Like if you have your members of your family with under eye dark circles, you are most likely to have one when you hit adulthood. Another is that if you have allergies like contact dermatitis or sinusitis or any allergy to skin care products or under eye creams or even nail care products, because you can rub your eyes, So all this can cause irritation and later post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now eczema also can cause this pigmentation under the eyes. Now another thing is that often people forget to put sunscreen around the eyes. So because of which constant sun exposure can cause hyperpigmentation, as well as it can cause early signs of aging like appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So do not forget to wear your sunscreen around your eyes, and that too frequently and liberal quantities. You can also use thick sunglasses whenever you step outside. Because it's a true hyperpigmentation, as a remedial measure, we can use depigmenting or lightening under eye creams. So make sure that you have at least a few of the ingredients which would produce a true lightening effect, like alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, niacinamide, vitamin C, azelaic acid and all. And use of this vitamin K is significant because vitamin K can reduce the appearance of blood vessels. And retinoid creams, again as I said before, it can boost the collagen production. And finally, it's important to use very low concentration of retinoid, okay, because retinoid can be little irritating because the skin is already very thin. And hydroquinone containing creams, make sure that you do not use it for a prolonged period, for more than 2 months altogether, because it can cause rebound hyperpigmentation. Okay, now also there are cosmetic procedures that can be done to brighten and lighten the under eye region. But definitely you should be patient with these cosmetic treatment because it requires a lot of sessions to bring about an effect. One is chemical peel. Chemical peel utilizes a chemical agent which can peel off the overlying, the outermost pigmented cells, and thereby the fresher looking, less pigmented cells appear in front. So again, it would require a minimum of 8 to 10 sessions, 10 days to 14 days apart to make about a difference. Then use of lasers. We have Nd:YAG lasers which can use to reduce the hyperpigmentation. Again, 4 to 6 sessions are required to bring about an effect. Now another treatment modality is the platelet rich plasma therapy. So it is like a very good treatment because it can bring about a lot of benefits. It can reduce the hyperpigmentation, it can boost the collagen production, hence increase the thickness of this under eye area, and also it can boost, by boosting collagen production, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. PRP can also be used to the rest of your face to produce an anti-aging benefit. Finally, there are a few lifestyle habits that can contribute to the appearance of this dark eye circles. Lack of sleep, because that is a known fact. If you do not have adequate amount of sleep, your eyes will look tired and dark, and the whole of your face would look a little more paler, such that this dark eye circles would become more prominent. Excessive consumption of dehydrating drinks like alcohol and excessive consumption of coffee. This dehydrates the system and hence makes the under eye circles more prominent. Smoking. Excessive smoking can decrease the vitamin C stores within your body. Vitamin C, as we all know, is a powerful antioxidant. Then increased screen time. Increased screen time can make your eyes strain too much and also dilate the blood vessels. And because of the strain, we tend to rub it harder and thus causing hyperpigmentation. And finally, poor dietary habits. Vitamin C is very vital. It should be included in your daily diet because vitamin C increases our body's capacity to absorb more hyaluronic acid as well as boost the collagen production. And iron deficiency anemia is also a factor which causes this under eye dark circles because iron deficiency anemia affects peripheral tissue oxygenation. Hence, consumption of iron rich food is also very significant. So I hope under eye dark circle topic had been made concise for you guys. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment box below. And for more such informative videos, stay tuned. Thank you.
Find the new you with Zaaya Skin, Hair and Laser Clinic, Mahilalayam School Road, near Juma Masjid, Alava. For more details, contact 8089831746, 87148 54483.